Your mission is to find a product or service that can positively impact the lives of 1 billion people, because that's the game we're playing today. Ten years ago, we never could have imagined commuting in an electric vehicle or that commercial trips to space would even be possible. We are in a time warp, preparing ourselves for interstellar trips of decades to come, new robotic surprises, and much more. For example, today in Dubai, 3D printers build buildings and houses. Cars do not need a driver, and drones even deliver groceries in other countries. The world is quickly changing, and we have to move with it in order not to be left behind. At the scientific medical level, there are already bionic limbs, artificial eyeballs, and even synthetic organs printed in 3D. Thanks to a new science and technology being discovered daily, we have achieved something unimaginable: prolonging people's lives. "40 years ago, scientists in Japan began to investigate the centenarians of the island of Okinawa, how people over 100 years of age did not suffer chronic degenerative diseases and enjoyed natural energy while maintaining amazing physical activity. They found the people of Okinawa were using sciences such as nutrigenomics and biotechnology. They analyzed their diet, rest, environment, life habits, and genetics. With state-of-the-art technology, they managed to understand the health of the centenarians, who enjoy a powerful yet intelligent force. Thanks to the microbiota with its very diverse and resistant bacteria, when fermenting the food in their intestines, it managed to produce fundamental metabolites to prolong their lives. Currently, there are active ingredients that promote the generation of metabolites to achieve balance in our bodies. These reestablish the intelligent force that contributes to improving health and prolonging the lives of people. The impact of metabolites and their effect is such that hundreds of doctors and nutritionists begin to use them in Olympians, as well as to improve the lives of people who have lost their health. This state-of-the-art technology is changing the world and the way we live. Speak to the person who shared this video with you to learn more.